So I had to stop filming for a little bit because my sister came over here to, I don't know what she was looking for, but she was looking for something for the cat, but we don't have it now. So, oh, don't mind the writing on my hand. It's because I have paint markers. And now it's coloring earlier. It's hot. Like, really hot. Oh, and also,